Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study from class 10th chapter 5 arithmetic progressions, exercise 5.2 question 3. In the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. Already we have seen in this question first three parts. So in this video we are going to see the fourth and the fifth part. Here we have to find out the second, third, fourth, fifth terms. And here first term, second is given, third, fourth and fifth term. So already I have explained to you, when I explained to you first three parts, same way only we have to find out. So let's do it quickly. So this we consider as A or A1. This is A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6. So we know the first term and we know the sixth term. We don't know the remaining four terms. So let's write down. I already told you how to get this formula to get the terms. If you want nth formula, right? A plus n minus 1 into d. So if you want the A2, the second term, then you will put in the place of n 2. So A2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 will give us A plus d. So let's write down. So first one, we have the value of A. So value of A is 4, that is given to us. And then next what is given to us? A6. But A2, how to get it? I told you A2 we have to find out. So in the place of n you put it 2. So A2. So it will become A plus 2 minus 1 will give us A plus 2 minus 1 will give us 1. So 1D. Then A3, how to get it? Same way A3 equal to A plus 3 minus 1. So A plus 3 minus 1 will give us 2D. So same way A4, 4 minus 1 will give us 3D. Then A5. A5 will be A plus 4D. So this we don't know. All this we don't know. We have to find out. So what is given to us is the first term and then A6. So A6 will be what? A6, if A5 is A plus 4D, A6 will be A plus 5D, which is equal to, it is given to us 6. So with this 2, what we will do? We'll get the value of the D, because we know the A value. A value is there. So using this equation, we can get the D value. Once we get the D value, then it is easy for you. A already we know. So then find the D value from this equation and then put the D value here. You will get A2. Here also A and D value you can place. You will get it. So from here, consider this as equation 1, this as equation 2. Then this as 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's from equation 1 and 2. So from equation 1 and 2, we'll get the D value. So this is A plus 5D is equal to 6. So A already we know, that is minus 4. 5D equal to 6. 5D we keep it here only. So here it is minus. When it comes here, it will become plus. So 5D equal to 10. That means D will be, this is in multiplication. When it comes here, it becomes division. So 5 will be 2 times. So D value we are getting 2. So already now we know the D value and we know the A value. So A we know. So A is there, D is there. So just put the value in all these equations. You will get A2, A3, A4 and A5. So let's do it. Equation 3. So from equation 3, or we can write like this also. So A2 will be equal to A plus D. So A is what? A is minus 4 plus D is 2. So minus 4 plus D will give us minus 2. So A2 is minus 2. So now A3. A3 is A plus 2D. So A is minus 4 plus 2 into D is minus 2. So which will give us minus 4 plus 2 2s are 4. It will be minus 4. So minus 4 plus into minus, wait a minute. So 2 A is minus 4 plus 2 into D is not minus 2, sorry, D is plus 2. So plus 2. So then this is minus 4, this is plus 4. Gets cancelled, so we will get 0. So A3 will be 0. So now let's find out for A4. So A4 is A plus 3D. So A is minus 4 plus 3 into D is 2. So minus 4, 3 2s are 6, which will give us 2. And then A5 is A plus 4D. So A is minus 4 plus 4 into D is 2. So minus 4 plus 8, 4 2s are 8. So plus 8 minus 4 will give us plus 4. So A5 is plus 4. So we got the value for all the 4 terms. Now let's do quickly the last one, fifth sum. So the fifth one, so let's consider this A. This is A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6. So the thing that are given to us, let's write it down. So we are given to us, A2 is given to us. So A2, already I have explained to you how to write. A2 will be A plus D, which is equal to 38. Next, what is given to us is A6. A6 will be A plus 5D. Just 1 less you have to write here. If it is 6th, then 1 less you have to write down. So then that is minus 22. Rest what is not given to us is A is not given. Then A3. So A3 we can write as A plus 2D. Then A4 will be A plus 3D. And then A5 will be A plus 4D. So this we have to find out. So now we don't have here A value, neither we have the D value. So then what we have to do, when we don't have A and D, we have to go for the elimination method. So either one thing we eliminate and get the value of the other one. So you consider this as equation 1, this as equation 2, this is 3, 4, 5 and 6. So now using elimination method from equation 1 and 2. Okay. So from equation 1 and 2 we have, so equation 1 is what? A plus D is equal to 38, and equation 2 we have A plus 5D equal to minus 22. So if we have to use the elimination method, we have to eliminate. For that we have to subtract. Here all plus. So what we'll do, we'll change the sign. This also will become minus. This will become plus. So then this gets cancelled. So A is eliminated. So now we have 1D and 5 minus D we have. So biggest number is minus. So we'll write down minus. From 5D, 1D subtract, we will get 4D. So this is in both are in plus. So when we plus both, we will get 60. So that means, so D equal to 60. This minus 4 is in multiplication. When it comes, it becomes division. So when you divide, you will get D value minus 15. So now we have D value. So put the D value in equation 1, because equation 1 is the simplest one, A plus D. Okay, so D value we know. If you put the D value here, we can get the A value. So once we have A value, then A value we will get it here, and then everywhere we put the A value and D value and get the all other 3 terms. So let's put it in the equation 1. So put the value of D, that is minus 15, in equation 1. So equation 1 is what? A plus D equal to 38. So A we don't know, D is minus 15 and 38. So A equal to 38. This is minus, so when it comes here, it will become plus. So A value we are getting 53. So now we know A value, we know the D value. So let's place it. So already we know the A value here. We got it. This we got it. A is 53. So now remaining we have to find out. So remaining just put it. That is A3. So A3 we have to find out. So A3 is A plus 2D. So A3 is A plus 2D. So A we know that is 53. 2 into D we know that is minus 15. So 53 plus 2 into 15. 15 into 2. 0. 30. So this is in minus. Okay. So minus 30. So 53 plus into minus 30. So from 53 minus 30 get 3. 2. So biggest number is plus sign. So 23. So A3 is 23. Now A4. A4 is equal to A plus 3D. So A we know A is 53. 3 into D is minus 15. So 53 plus minus 15 you multiply with 3 times. No. 45. So you'll get minus 45. So 53 plus into minus 45 will give us from 53 minus 45. Borrow 1, 13. 13 minus 5 will give us 8. Then borrowed 4, 0. So 8 you will get it. Biggest number is plus. So 8. So A4 will be 8. Now what we have to find out is A5. So A5 is equal to A plus 4D. So A we know A is 53. 4 into D we know that is minus 15. So 53 plus 4 into 15. What will give us? 15 multiply with 4. 20 to 60. So it will give us minus 60. So 53 plus into minus 60. So from 60 you minus 53, it will give us 7. But the biggest number is minus, so we will get minus here. So A5 is minus. So all the missing terms we have found out. That's it. Thank you and God bless you.